Welcome to my video on how to determine the equation of a line from 2 points. So let's look at the equation of a line. We got, this is the standard form, ax plus by is equal to c. This is the slope-intercept form where you've got the slope is m and the y-intercept is b. That's a form you'll see a lot. And there's also the point-slope form, where this is y minus y1, where that's one of the points on the line, is equal to the slope times x, the variable x, minus x1, where that's the same point on the line. So that's another form. We're going to use, see both of these two right here in this video today. This is the problem we're going to look at in this video. We're going to find the equation of the line that passes through the points 3, 4, and 9, 10, and write the final equation in slope-intercept form. So we're going to put it in this form right here, given these 2 points. That's all we know about the line. So first of all, let's graph what we do know. We've got a point, here's going to be our x-axis, y-axis, and we know we've got a point at 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So about right there. And then 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So about right there. Let's get our straight edge and draw it through there. It's going to go something like this. And so this is going to be our point 3, 4 and our point 9, 10. So that's what we know so far, just by drawing a line through it. That's the line we're going to get. Now let's try to find the equation of that line. Okay, first thing we want to do, step 1, is find the slope of the line. So we're going to use this formula. It's kind of our standard formula for determining the slope of a line given 2 points, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And you can see this is just the rise over the run. Going to be the slope of the line. That's our general formula. So in this case, we've got the point 3, 4 and 9, 10. Okay, so that's going to be 10 minus 4. That's our 2 y's minus our x's, which is going to be 9 minus 3. So that's going to give us a slope of 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, the slope of 1. So that's our slope, 1. That's our first step. Now step 2 is we want to use the point-slope form of the line to solve for the equation of the line. So we know that y minus y1 is equal to the slope times x minus x1. So that's going to be our point-slope form. And so we put in the y1 here, so it's y minus 4 is equal to 1. That's our slope times x minus 3. So there's our equation. So now let's just put it in the proper form. To solve, put the y's on one side, so we're going to have y minus 4 plus 4. We're adding 4 to both sides, so that carries through. That's x minus 3 plus 4. So now those cancel out. Y is equal to x. 4 minus 3 is plus 1. So that's going to be our equation of a line. Where this is the y-intercept is 1, and then the slope is 1. So there's a 1 right there. Our third step is anything you try to check your solution. So we've got our equation y is equal to x plus 1. So let's check it at both these points. So at 3, 4, let's see what we get there. We're going to get y is equal to 3x plus 1. And our x is 3, and our y is 1. That's equal to 4. So that's the x1, and that's the y1. So that's good. Now at the second point, 9, 10, let's evaluate this equation again. So we're going to have x, so that's 9, plus the slope of 1, that's equal to 10. So there's the y and there's the x. And that does check. So that's a very good thing. So finally what we want to do is we want to plot this line, use a slope-intercept form. So our slope is equal to 1. Our intercept is equal to 1. So the y-intercept is this point right here. There's a y-axis. There's our x-axis. Now we know our slope is to 1 for 1, so we can go start here, go 1 over, 1 up, so it's right there. And if we want to do that again, we can go 1 over, 1 up. It's basically going to be a 45-degree line. Starting at 1 is what it looks like it's going to be. So there's our line using the slope-intercept form. And it's just like the line we had a while ago. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you got something out of it, please give me a like, a comment, subscribe to my channel. Also check in the description. There may be some more information there that might help you continue your journey on algebra. So thank you for watching.